How to fix cannot connect App Store problem. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, check your internet connection. Drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and check if you are connected with a stable Wi-Fi network or not. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to see if the issue persists, or you can restart your Wi-Fi router if needed. Also, turn airplane mode on, wait 10 seconds, then turn it off again. Now once done, so all you have to do is go back to the home screen and simply look for the settings app available there and simply tap on the settings app. Once inside the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Inside general, tap on the software update and make sure that you are running the latest version because bugs fixes in update often resolve connection problems. Once done, so go back to the settings general again. Then once inside the general, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset. Then tap on the reset network settings. This removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you know them first. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.